Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you chicken lollipop recipe. So let's get started. The ingredients for the marination are maida, curd, lemon, ginger, salt, chili powder, garam masala, egg, and I have taken 500 grams of lollipop chicken. Add all the ingredients, mix it well and marinate for at least half an hour. And remember, Maida has to be added at the last. Now the chicken is being marinating for half an hour. So let's go to the next process, deep frying. But before that we need corn flour starch. Dip the chicken lollipops in the corn flour starch before deep frying. This makes the chicken even more crispy. And remember, this does not need to be perfect. And here I'm using sieve to cover the bones. Preheat the oil and check if the oil is at right temperature by adding a small piece. The piece instantly has to bubble and start floating slowly. And continue adding the marinated chicken one by one. Do not overload. Keep the flame at high temperature for a minute so that the marinade hardens and stays intact with the pieces. Till then, do not move the chicken. After a minute, drop the flame to medium and fry it for 5 minutes till golden brown. And remove it from the oil and keep it aside. And similarly, fry the rest of the marinated chicken in batches and keep it aside. So let's move to the next process, tossing. We need onions, coriander leaves, spring onions, ginger, green chilies, tomato sauce, white vinegar and soya sauce. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil and then add ginger. Fry it for a minute and then add green chilies. After tossing for 10 to 15 seconds, add chopped onions. You need to just fry it for 1 minute. Next, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. You can skip this if you don't like sweet. Then you need 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix them all till it boils and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And when it starts to boil and thicken, you can add your chicken lollipops. Toss it well and switch off the flame. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and some spring onions. And our chicken lollipop is done. And to give the restaurant touch, wrap the aluminum foil on the bones. If you felt my video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon. Bye.